How to text someone on Bluesky. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To text someone on Bluesky, you can actually head over and launch a Bluesky application in your device. So over here, first thing first, you need to make sure that you are logged in into your Bluesky account. Once you have successfully logged in, then you can just head over and search for the user that you wish to chat with. You can just tap on the DM section that is right at the bottom, then click on the plus sign icon and search for a user that you wish to chat. Or another thing that you can do is you can just tap on the person user icon. Right over here, you will see this chat option. You can click on it. After that, a chat feed will pop up. Here, you can just leave a chat and go ahead and click on this send icon. If you cannot do so, then you need to make sure that your email address is verified. Once your email address is verified, you can easily text someone on Bluesky. We hope that you found this video helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will